Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Google just launched Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, but we're talking about the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. After using it for 1 year as a daily driver, is it still worth it in 2025? Or should you upgrade to Pixel 10 Pro XL? Let's find out this video. Even after 1 year, the design feels premium. That matte finish and polished camera bars still look classy. The Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and aluminum frame have held up well. This 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display is still an absolute joy to use. It's bright, colors are vibrant, and the 120Hz smooth scrolling is something I can never go back from. For watching videos, browsing, and especially gaming, it's been flawless. Pixel 9 Pro XL runs on Google's Tensor G4 chip with 16GB RAM. After a year, performance is still smooth for daily tasks and gaming. Even after a year and multiple major Android updates, it feels just as snappy as it did out of the box. That's a huge win for software-hardware integration. This is the big one, the camera. Pixel cameras never disappoint. The 50MP main plus telephoto plus ultra-wide still produce stunning photos. Photo quality is still consistently fantastic. The HDR plus processing, the color science, it just gets it right so often with zero effort. The 5x telephoto lens has been a game changer for concerts and getting clean shots of my dog in the yard. And the low light performance with night sight? Still black magic. Now, a year in, I've noticed a few things. The video quality, while good, has been surpassed by the iPhone and Samsung. The stabilization is great for walking videos, but the dynamic range in challenging light isn't quite on the same level. Battery life is always the biggest concern for long-term use. Initially, the Pixel 9 Pro XL was a 2-day champ for me. After a year, I've noticed some expected degradation. Where I used to end a heavy day at 40%, I'm now ending at around 20 to 25%. It's not bad at all. It still easily gets me through a full day. So after 1 year, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is still a beast in photography and software. And if you already using Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I don't think you have to upgrade to Pixel 10 Pro XL.